Hello, my name is Lidis Maria Mesa Cadena. In this video, task 1 reflecting upon English language awareness. Task 1 reflecting upon English language awareness, presented by Lidis Maria Mesa Cadena, tutor Liliana Isabel Moreno, February 2022. Test 1 Code Recognition. Answer the following question according to the content of the course. 1. What is the purpose of the course? The learning purpose of the course is the reforming student language, sociolinguistics, and practical competence in foreign language to good the performance of oral production tasks and giving set of the interaction in real time to effectively communicate and discuss complex topics. 2. What many learning outcomes can you find in the curriculum? The study plans consists of 4 learning outcomes. Learning outcome 2. 1. Demonstrating oral skills to express oneself and spontaneously on different cultural topics for social or academic purposes. Learning outcome 2. Discuss as controversial issues using arguments for or against to convince as counterpart of the specific point of view. Learning outcome 3. Interpret STEM speed even when it is not clearly structured and when relations are only implied and not explicit stated. Learning outcome 4. Describe complete work and detailing information develops particular points and routing out why and appropriate conclusions. 3. What are synchronous interaction activities? Synchronous interaction activities are those that take place in the real time and that enable interaction between the tutor and classmates to go different mechanisms. 4. What many activities do the course have? The course consists of 6 activities. Task 1. Reflecting on awareness of the English language. Task 2. Participate in 8 weekly mandated meetings. Task 3. Discuss controversial issues. Task 4. Cambridge set advanced speed parks. Task 6. Task 5. Standards text listening questionnaires. Task 6. Guide speed to go at web conference 16. 5. What course activity involve real-time interaction? Real-time interaction activities. Task 2. Participate in 8 weekly mandatory meetings. Task 3. Discuss controversial issues. Task 6. Guide a speed to go a web conference 16. 6. Summary in your own words the rules and conditions of the course. The rules and conditions of the course are summaries, especially in being guided by valued and maintaining constant communication between tutor and classmates, complete with security policies, including not committing plasmar. In addition, a computer must be available that meet technical requirements that allow developing the academic process at the UNAC. Seven. Do your institutional email work correctly? Yes. Is work correctly? Step 2. Reflection upon English language awareness. 1. Do you have English language level certification? If not, what do you consider to be your level today? If do not have an English language level certification, would I consider that I currently have at B1 level of English? 2. What do you head to the level you high note? In the had I had read the level by carrying out the different activities proposed by the university. I am currently doing an interactive English course with the focus your main English wide culture academy to deepen my communication skills in the English language. 3. Why are you studying English as a foreign language? I decided to study English because for me it's a challenge to learning and to make my education communicate because in the area where I live there are not the teachers why English profiles. Also because there is the opportunity to work in the education institution where I trained as bachelor. 4. What is studying language as an adult different from studying it as a child? The difference is that an English for children must start from the willing to part and the learning strategies but made appropriate to the children. I and addition children had more receptive minds that if they brain find easier to absorb net information such as imitate, shows and identify the difference between the things. They do it without realization wide, fair to vain, and hot at keen pressures. 5. What long showed you studying a foreign language? From my point of view, a person should the necessary time that with their net to learn language, but it should not be less than 2 or 3 hours a day for 5 years and the continue specializing according to the profession. 6. What can you make language learning part of the your life in the future? Language learning was the part of my life because it part continue training in the for communication skills and my tasks as future teacher. I will the exercising it continuously by helping other people stream through meaningful learning in a foreign language. 7. What can language learning be organized to go lives? Learning must be at for me always long for the performance of my communicate skill and the most important thing is to practice is dive to K I live. Thank you very much.